Welcome to Fulton County Library System. We will make the most favorite and popular sandwich of all Bulgarians. I remember Sunday mornings when my mother used to make this for breakfast. Kids could buy it at the school cafeteria, or it was also sold on the streets. Or if you go to a cafe to get some coffee and juice with friends, you could also get that sandwich. All you need is some ground meat, some bread, some butter, an egg, some cheese, and a special seasoning. You want to learn more? Stay with us. Let's get started. We whisk the egg and then we add it to the ground meat. You can use pork or beef or a mix of both. The ratio is 3.5 ounces of meat require 1 egg. You can add some salt and a special seasoning. This is a Bulgarian seasoning that I'm gonna use, but the American equivalent is savory, which I don't have at the moment. So you add the seasoning and then with your clean hand we start to mix. It's very important to mix the meat and the egg and the seasoning very well. Okay. The name of the sandwich is related to the name of a Thracian princess who lived in the territory of my native town, Plovdiv. So, let's get started with our princess sandwich. Get some butter. We put some butter on our bread. Okay, just a little. Spread it well. If you're trying to stay away from fats, you can skip the butter. But everything made with butter tastes better. So, I am not gonna skip the butter, but I'm not gonna put too much either. And next, I have a mix for 2 sandwiches, so I will divide it between the 2 sandwiches. You can make 3 sandwiches with all this mix, but I'll make a very rich sandwich. It's important to spread it well and cover all the edges, because during the baking sometimes the meat gets in the middle. So carefully spread the mix on the loaf. Now let's do the second sandwich. And before we bake it, before we put it in the oven, we will add some cheese. Butter and cheese and ground meat. It is delicious. Okay, here's our cheese. Again, I'm going to use my clean hand for that. Okay, we add the cheese. Some more cheese. The more cheese, the better. And we are ready for the oven. We make sure we put our sandwiches in the oven tray. And we are on our way to the oven. Okay, our sandwiches are ready. Looks delicious. And our sandwiches are ready. It smells so good. In Bulgaria, we have a drink of yogurt or kefir. Enjoy and good appetite!